Go, go, go! Easter with my boy. Happy Easter, everybody. Hope everyone's having a good day. Me and my young fella were on our way home, just enjoying the views, and we'll show you the views that we're going to see on the way home. I'm getting all tangled in there. Smoked you, bud. Oh, it's in there. Look up at these older trees. Can you spot their woody hollows? What, an owl? Someone that I know is possessed by an owl. Someone that I know. Someone that I know. Someone that I know. You keep saying who? It's you. See, that's what an owl makes. Who? Bro, there's not even any water here. Not even a waterfall, it's just a gorge. What? Trying to do it. No, don't do it. Oh, right, Jax, you stay here. I'm gonna go to that lookout over there, and we'll wave to each other. Nah, I wouldn't leave you here. Happy Easter, my big boy. Oh, we have to put jumpers on because it's actually cold. Where'd you get that from? Oh, Easter Bunny gave you a hoodie. Easter Bunny only gives me eggs. Too fast for you, old man. I've got a cramp, so you're lucky. Jax, here it is. This is it. I don't know where that goes. Oh, I don't know about walking up that hill, man. What is this? Dog fence. This fence is for the dingoes, man. If we go through this fence, you gotta listen to Dad. He's there! He's there! He's there! Imagine what would be in there. I'm your father. Go in there.
I don't want to.
I'm gonna knock on the dingo's home and have to run to that fence as fast as you can, okay? Go! 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 There's no dingoes there.